What year is this car?
It's an 05.
This is an '05 Lincoln LS. The way to get these wheel studs in, you're going to have to take the hub off. There's 4 bolts in the back. What is it, 15 millimeter? The socket's a 15?
Yeah.
And you got to take some type of breaker bar. And we just use this ball hitch off my truck. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens.
Oh, that fucking pretty fun.
Four bolts go on the back. We had to replace the whole hub. We're not successful putting the studs in. Just had to go to LKQ and get a
Hub assembly.
which is a wrecking yard. Pull it yourself. You have to have a pry bar to get it off. Not a pry bar, but a breaker bar. And what was it? Size 15 millimeter socket.
I recommend using a chisel. That's just my opinion. Well, you don't have to bang it off with a hammer like I did.